Hi, my name is Emma. In email marketing, you often need target groups, e.g., for mailings, content, or evaluations. I'll show you how to easily create your own target group. Open the menu item, Target Groups. Here you can see all the target groups that have already been created. If you have a lot of target groups, the search will help you to find the right one quickly. You can mark a target group that you use particularly often as a favorite. This way, it will always be displayed first in overviews and lists. Let's create a new target group together. First, we assign a name for the new target group. The name will be displayed in various places in EMM. The more unique the name, the easier it is to find your target group later. The description helps you and your colleagues to keep the overview. This way, even after a long time, you still know for which purpose the target group was created and whether it is still needed. If you do not always want to address every test's recipients, you can filter them with a target group. With this button, you mark the target groups that you want to use for test mailings. With search rules, you can filter your recipients as you like. Here you will see a list of all available fields. If you know the name of your field, you can use the search function to speed up the selection. With the operators, you define how the field should be searched. If you want to work with wildcards in your search rule, you need either like or not like. The expression equals only works for exact matches. Tip: all operators are explained in detail in the manual. In the last field, you enter the search criterion, that is, what will be filtered. You can combine as many search rules as you like. If the recipients must meet all criteria, then you need an AND operation. If only one of the two criteria is to be fulfilled, then use the OR operation. If you want to work with AND as well as OR links in your search, then you have to link them with rule groups. You can easily reorder your rules by moving them to the new place. In our example, we want to filter all recipients who have a unique gender stored in their profile. For this, you need an OR operation. Now enter the value 0 for man in the first search rule for gender. Then, for the second search rule for gender, we select the value 1 for woman. The target group now provides you with all Gmail addresses that have a unique gender selected. If you switch to the extended search, you will see your target group in a special notation. EMM query language allows you to perform very complex searches and offers additional search options, e.g., on mailing list status or reference tables. In the manual, you will find everything you need to know about the advanced search. Click Save to store your target group. Tip: after saving, you can evaluate the target group for individual mailing lists below your search rules. Well done! Now you know how to filter your recipients any way you want. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.